Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 31st, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. We did see equities closing significantly higher once again, actually posting their biggest quarterly gains in almost a decade. The Dow was higher by 211 points, the S&P 500 gaining almost 19 points, while the Nasdaq market was up 60, and the Russell 2000 gaining another 4.5 points. The bond market moving slightly lower, and the yield on the 10-year note edging up. It is now at 2.406%. Crude oil doing quite well, closing higher by 88 cents or 1.5%, but it's up about 32% year to date. So it's been one heck of a ride here for crude, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down just yet. Gold edging higher by $1.70, and the dollar, was lower earlier in the session, but managed to prop back up. Now, news on Friday, really, there's a lot of attention given to the IPO for Lyft. And as you can see, there's just one bar, an IPO'd on Friday, but I'm going to move to the 1 minute time frame. That way we get to see, or even let's do a 5 minute for now, just so we can see the full day there. This IPO actually debuted about 22% higher. It was priced at 72. Moved to 88.60 here before settling back, and we saw an initial pullback, then it kind of went quiet, and then another fade into the close. Regardless, it ended up higher by over 6 point or almost 9% on the day. And the question is, how do you trade an IPO like this if you weren't able to get in to the offer? Well, you can't look at a daily chart. Obviously, there's only one bar. You're not going to see much there. So the best thing to do is move to the lowest time frame you can and day trade this. And more often than not, when it comes to IPOs, they're heavily traded at the beginning, as was Lyft on Friday. And so there's plenty of opportunities to trade this intraday. And as you can see here, and actually let me move to the layout we normally use here. Lyft. Let me just bring up the symbol again. There it is. It's moved to a 1 minute. There it is. So we normally have the 20-period moving average on with the Ichimoku cloud and the RSI set at 7 here. And as you can see, after its initial pullback here, there's the RSI popping above that 50, moving back below. That was our entry signal in. Nice short there. And a couple more here late in the afternoon. I suspect there will be plenty, not just to the downside. This will go back and forth. And on a 1 minute, a 3 minute, 5 minute chart, there'll be plenty of opportunities going forward. So keep Lyft on your watch list here. And especially if you have time to sit in front of your screen during the day, I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunities ahead. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.